everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the EPOC X headset. Now the first thing you need to do is add some saline solution to all the felt pads, and you can do that by just adding a few drops into the well above the felt pad. And honestly, when in doubt, just add more saline. Sometimes I actually even take out all the felt pads and soak them in a cup of saline and then put them back in the headset, and that can just help to ensure good conductivity for a long period of time. Now, to actually put on the headset, once I've added the saline solution to all the sensors, is to just put it on at about a 45-degree angle so the sensors comb through your hair. Now, the first sensor you want to adjust is the comfort pad, and that sits at the mastoid bone, which is the bone right behind your ear. Just removing all the hair from underneath the sensor. Other one. Awesome. Now the second sensor you want to adjust is these front ones, and you just want to tilt the headset forward until the sensors are about 3 fingers above your eyebrows. And then finally, just going around to the rest of the sensors, trying to remove as much hair as you can from underneath the sensor and just adjusting them all to make sure they're not twisted and making as much contact with the scalp as possible. In a future video, I'm going to show you how to use the Emotiv software to make sure you get the best connectivity from your headset.